Our support center is a great tool to find helpful articles you need to learn how to use our system. To get to our support center, just go to our website at followupcrm.com, hover over the Support tab at the top, and click on Support Center. From here, you'll see 5 different categories, including Getting Started, where we have our generic tutorial articles to help get you set up, Administrative, where we share articles specific to our Followup CRM admins and champions, Integrations, where we have tutorial articles that break down all of our platform integrations, FAQs, where we have articles that address our frequently asked questions, and Feature Overviews, where we have articles that cover some of our latest features. If you're looking for a specific article, you can search the topic in our search bar. Each article contains a detailed video that demonstrates the article topic. They also include screenshots and thorough directions breaking down the particular how-to you've selected. Our support center is a great way to get answers you need quickly to help you easily adapt to our platform.